Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This time I'm taking you through Notting Hill and the London Eye. Please enjoy. And here guys, we are walking to the train station, or the tube that's actually taking us to Notting Hill. So I made it to England, guys.
Yes, we did.
And here's my entourage behind me. So since we left the United States, I've been saying fish and chips, fish and chips. So now I'm gonna go get some. So the cool thing about Notting Hill, guys, it's that the houses are very colorful. As you can see, some are pink, some are blue, some are yellow, but a lot of the times they're very pastelish colors. And Notting Hill has been featuring many movies and different TV shows through American cinema and British cinema. So on this street, we're actually going to the local market in Notting Hill. That it happens every weekend, and they have live music, they have food, and so many different things that you can buy right on the street. I don't have as much footage as I would like from there because my camera died, but I did some pretty interesting things, so just keep up. And as I mentioned before, just look at the houses. They are very colorful, and that's what makes Notting Hill such a nice place to visit and just walk around and take some awesome pictures. And as you'll expected, the Mad Hatter and I spilled the tea. So we are in a part of London. I don't know where we are, honestly. It's really cool, it looks really old. We're looking for a place to eat, so I'll let you guys know what we find. This is us. Here.
Trying to find food, that's what we're doing.
Yes. And it's starting to rain. Good thing this GoPro is waterproof. So what do you guys think? So we're over some bridge in London Bridge, I don't know. We're about to go do the London Eye, which is, I think it was 27 pounds. That's roughly about 32 American dollars. I'm gonna film some more as I am there. It's really cool, it's amazing. So what you see here is actually a truck that sells hot whiskey and other hot beverages for cold days like this one, because it was extremely cold and being next to the river did not help. My friend and Nick actually bought some hot whiskey and it was amazing. As you keep walking towards the London Eye, you will find the ticket area. You can buy tickets for £27, £35, and £47. We took the ones that were £47 because it was VIP. You get champagne and a personal tour guide to explain to you different types of buildings that you are seeing when you're on top.